In this video, I will show you how you can fix the black screen issue on any iPad. Now, if your iPad is stuck on black screen and if you want to fix this issue, first of all, just press and hold the side button on your iPad. As you can see, on one side of your iPad, you will find both of your volume buttons, and on the other side, you will find the side button. Now just press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo on the screen. Now it might take 5 to 10 seconds to do so, but after you press and hold this button, you will see the Apple logo. Now just wait for a few seconds for your iPad to restart. Now as you can see, our iPad has turned on. Now if you have done that and if your iPad did not turn on, then you will need to do a force restart on your iPad. For that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then quickly press and hold the side button on your iPad until you see the Apple logo on the screen. Now as you can see, the screen has turned black. And after you see the Apple logo on the screen, just release the side button. Just remember the button combination, press and release the volume up and the volume down button. And after that, just press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo on the screen. And after you do that, then just check if your issue has been fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then your iPad might be out of charge. But before you charge your iPad, just charge another device using your charger and make sure that your charger is working. After that, just check the charging port of your iPad. Now if you find any dust or debris stuck in the charging port, just clean it using a soft brush. Now after you've done that, now just plug your iPad into charge for 20 to 30 minutes. And after that, just press and hold the side button on your iPad until you see the Apple logo on the screen. And by doing that, you will turn on your iPad. But if you have done all that and if none of these methods worked, then you might have a hardware problem with your iPad. Just take your iPad to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix the black screen issue on any iPad. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.